Hey, what's up to the best friends and family on YouTube? It's been a hot minute since I did a video. Life is I'm not gonna say in the way, but it's nice out. I've been spending time with the kids. Trying to get this hog going smooth, and it's going pretty smooth. I actually took it to a car show today, but the reason for this video is I was going to the car show with Tyler. So if you guys remember Tyler, he bought an STi shortly after I bought my STi, and he has a very modified, very fast GTR. Now, if you guys recall, he did the fuel system in his STi. He did a very good job of it and didn't cheap out. We were driving to the car show today, about, I'd say 10 minutes down the highway, because the car show is just off the highway heading into Edmonton. I start smelling fuel, and I'm like, oh, my car is running rich still, damn it. We're gonna have to tune it out. And I'm like, oh no, it's pretty potent. So I look to my right, and there's a Jetta there that's literally blowing black as it's stationary. So I'm thinking, oh, it's that guy. Whatever, no big deal. Light turns green. Next set of lights is the last set of lights to this car show we're going to, which is a friend of ours who owns a business and packed full of beautiful cars. Well, we're sitting at the lights and I hear this big pop. I had my music jamming. It was loud enough that I heard it. So I turned my music down. I'm looking around. Nothing. My car's fine. I look in my rear view mirror where Tyler is in his STi, and his STi hood blows up. And this massive, I'm not joking you, 6-7 foot flame with girth shoots up. And I'm thinking to myself, for some reason I'm thinking to myself, it's not his car in my mind. Like I'm like, I'm still dazed. Before I could even react, Tyler's at my window. Do you have anything? Do you have anything? Car's on fire. Right before we left, I threw a fire extinguisher in my car. This exact one. I will put a link to these guys in my description because this saved Tyler's car from, I'm going to say, 3 to 4 foot wide flame and probably 5 to 6 feet high. That's no word of a lie. It was a ruptured AN line, a pinhole leak. He opened up the hood, burnt his arm, sprayed that until it was out. We weren't counting down how much time he was spraying. I want to say a minute, but within the first 5 seconds, that fire was gone, extinguished. And the only thing you could see was this 7 foot fuel leak from his hose. It just goes to show you, no matter how much money you spend on your car, no matter how much things you try to do to prevent things, shit happens. And when that happens, I'm probably making you guys dizzy walking around. I apologize. But when that happens, you have to make sure you're prepared. I will put this down here for now, so I'm not making you guys dizzy. But make sure you're prepared because, like I said, 10 minutes before that happened, I threw this in the Aristo, knowing that my car could, I don't know the car yet enough to say, oh yeah, everything's tight, everything's ready to go. Something crappy may happen. It happened to Tyler's car, totally such a weird circumstance. Literally the line, not even any of the fittings, but the line had a pinhole leak just pissing fuel out at high pressure. And it was obviously hot enough somewhere that it ignited, and his whole engine was on, and thankfully it did very, very minimal damage because this thing put the fire out so freaking well. So from personal experience, this is what I will be buying from now on. All my friends at the car show were asking me, which one did you use? This is the one I used. It's nice. There's more to it than the little flare sticks, which I took from Tyler after because I still wanted to be safe in my car. So I'm going to give that back to him. But this is like double volume of the ones of Element, I think they are. And very easy to use. Tyler grabbed it, had no idea how to use it, just yanked this thing and just started spraying, and it saved his car. The only thing that got damaged to beyond repair, in my opinion, was his washer fluid cap. I will put pictures, if I have not already, for you guys to see the damage. But he lucked out. So I will put those in the description for you. I think you could buy 4 of them for about just under 140 bucks. And then one of the Element, I think, is like 120, 140 bucks. So in my opinion, my humble opinion, this is a way better way to go, because I have one of these in every single one of my vehicle right now. And it worked. So as always, I hope you guys enjoyed the video as much as you can. A lot's going down for the Aristo. I got a lot on the way. As you guys know, I'm a 2J guy, and I've already made a list, checked it twice, and we're gonna find out who's naughty or nice. Super impressed with this thing. This thing gets a lot of attention. A father and his son stopped me on the way home, and we're just enamored with the thing, asking all kinds of questions. Knew exactly what it was. So, and then the car show as well. So yeah, I'll let you guys go here, but I just wanted to send the message. Make sure you guys have a fire extinguisher. It saved Tyler's car today. He did have that Element in his car, but there's no way, he didn't know where it was, so he wouldn't have been able to have a fire extinguisher and have it ready to go in your car. You know where it is. But if he would have tried looking for it, the damage would have been a lot worse, if not non-salvageable. So just be careful. All right, everybody, you guys have a great weekend ahead of you. And till next time, peace.